Alright guys, this is a quick video on hang time. So I've just got an example here of a ball. So let's have a look at this. So you can see two balls here. And this represents the weight of a light character and a heavy character. So basically with hang time, the lighter the character, the more time in the air. And a heavy character has less time in the air. That's all it's representing. So this is going to be used on an example for a run, for example. There'll be more of an impact coming down on like the hips, you know, when it's running, characters running. So let's take these animations and put them on the character so you can see. This is a quick example here that I'm giving. Right, so the apex. So what I mean by the apex, the top end, like for a jump as well. When you got a heavy character, it will spend less time in the air on a jump and come down quicker because, you know, gravity takes place, right? Heavy, there's more mass. And a light character will have more hang apex, the highest point of the jump. It can kind of hang and hold that pose more. So when we go up here and look, so I've got an example here. I've put the animations on a light character and a heavy character, just the hips, just so you can see, for example. See, you can see that the heavy one is impacting more than the lighter athletic one. He's got more hang time in the air coming down. That's an example I wanted to give you. There was a comment on one of the videos I did about doing a video on hang time. So in a nutshell, that's what hang time is. You know, you got a heavy character, it's got less hang time. A light character has more hang time. Alright guys, short and sweet. Just wanted to share this example with you. Practice, you know, practice like little timings and stuff of the spacing. Or what else I can show you is if I select which one is this? That's the heavy one. So yeah, this is the curves for the heavy one. So it's coming down more. If you look at the top, the heavy one, sorry, there's less spacing at the top, less drawings at the top, whereas the heavy one has slightly more, right? Slightly more. So you can move it out to give it more hang time and it'll come down quicker, but breaking the tangents. But yeah, you can control also the way the impact is. This is quite a fast impact, but you can have it come down a bit more, less sharply. As you can see there, it's coming down a bit more smoother, if you like. Alright guys, so that's just in a nutshell what hang time is for heavy and light character. Alright guys, if you like that, if you found that useful, share, subscribe, and thank you for all your support. And I'll see you in the next fitness update, which will be next week. Alright guys, take care, see you later.